7th grade adapted food nutrition test. Please pause the video if you need more time to fill in your answers. Please type your name. Identify the abbreviation for cup. Identify one of the abbreviations for teaspoon. Identify the abbreviation for tablespoon. Give the correct equivalences for the following. 1 tablespoon has how many teaspoons? Equivalences. Choose only one answer for the following questions. Give the correct equivalences for the following. How many tablespoons are in a stick of butter? Choose the correct equivalences for the following. In a stick of butter, there is a half a cup, 1 cup, 2 cups. Give the correct equivalences for the following. How many cups are in 1 pound of butter? Types of ingredients. The following questions, please state if the ingredient is dry, liquid, or a solid ingredient. Types of ingredients. Brown sugar is what type of ingredient? Types of ingredients. Baking soda is what type of ingredient? Types of ingredients. Peanut butter is what type of ingredient? Types of ingredients. Flour is what type of ingredient? Types of ingredients. Milk is what type of ingredient? Types of ingredients. Vanilla is what type of ingredient? Measuring method. Choose the ingredient that matches with the method to be used when measuring. Answers are only used once. Choose which type of ingredient fits the method of measuring. Do not pack down, spoon lightly into the cup. Mark only one oval. Brown sugar, flour, peanut butter and shortening, milk and juice over 1/4 cup, vanilla, less than 3 tablespoons, or butter. Choose which type of ingredient fits the method of measuring. Pack down to keep the shape of the cup. Mark only one oval. Brown sugar, flour, peanut butter and shortening, milk and juice over 1/4 cup, vanilla, less than 3 tablespoons, butter. Choose which type of ingredient fits the methods of measuring. Pack down and remove air bubbles. Mark only one oval. Brown sugar, flour, peanut butter and shortening, milk and juice over 1/4 cup, vanilla, less than 3 tablespoons, and butter. Choose which type of ingredient fits the method of measuring. Do not hold over the bowl while pouring into the measuring spoon. Mark only one oval. Brown sugar, flour, peanut butter and shortening, milk and juice over 1/4 cup, vanilla, less than 3 tablespoons, butter. Choose which type of ingredient fits the method of measuring. Set the cup on a flat surface, bend down, and read at eye level. Mark only one oval. Brown sugar, flour, peanut butter and shortening, milk and juice over 1/4 cup, vanilla less than 3 tablespoons, butter. What must be done with all dry ingredients after filling the measuring cup? Mark only one oval. Level off with your finger. Shake off the excess so it's even on the top. Pack down. Level off with your straight edge spatula. What utensil is used to pack shortening and peanut butter into the dry measuring cup? Mark only one oval. Fork, straight edge spatula, rubber scraper. Foodborne illness. The danger zone lies between which two temperatures? Mark only one oval. Freezing and boiling, 40 and 140 degrees, 30 and 130 degrees. What is the danger zone? Food left in the danger zone for more than blank hours may become unsafe to eat. Mark only one oval. 2, 5, 7. What are 2 typical symptoms of foodborne illness? Foodborne illness is usually caused by, mark only one oval. All of the above, poor food handling practices, too many people touching your food, mayonnaise which contains eggs in food like tuna salad, egg salad, macaroni salad. The following statement about bacteria is false. Mark only one oval. Bacteria can be useful, such as bacteria in yogurt. Bacteria is everywhere. You can see and smell bacteria. Cross-contamination is the transfer of harmful substances to food by, mark only one oval, combing your hair in the kitchen, adding raw veggies to soup on the stove, mixing raw foods with cooked foods, choose the best answer. You bring a bagged lunch to school, but find out the cafeteria is serving tacos, your favorite Mexican food. So you decide to have that instead. You have to stay after school for student council meeting and want to eat your bagged lunch as a snack. When it comes to the chicken salad sandwich, you decide to mark only one oval. Eat it before taking the late bus home. Microwave it. Skip it because it has been in the danger zone for more than 2 hours. Share it with your best friend. List and briefly explain the first step to preventing food poisoning. This starts with the letter C. List and briefly explain the second step to preventing foodborne illness. This starts with the letter S. List and briefly explain the third step to preventing food poisoning or foodborne illness. This starts with the letter C. List and briefly explain the last step to preventing food poisoning or foodborne illness. This starts with the letter C. When storing foods in the fridge, why should you use multiple containers? For example, when you make beef stew, you should store in multiple containers before placing in the fridge. What is the best way to determine if food is cooked properly? Mark only one oval. Use a timer. Use a meat thermometer. Choose the best answer. When should you wash your hands? Mark only one oval. When you use the restroom? After petting an animal? When preparing food? All of the above. Best breakfast. Best breakfast includes, mark only one oval, 2 servings of grain, 1 from milk or meat, 1 from fruit or vegetables, 2 servings from grain, no fruit, lots of vegetables,